Welcome friends. Let us continue to study heat engines on my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. The topic included in today's lecture are working of heat engine and efficiency of heat engines. Heat engine. So as we have discussed different elements of heat engine, let us study this one is the heat source. The heat source is such that it can supply any amount of heat without changing its temperature, and its temperature is either T1 or TH. Let us see, we have heat sink also. It can absorb any amount of heat without changing its temperature. Its temperature is either T2 or TL. And this one is the heat engine which works on a cycle. Now this heat engine takes the heat from the heat source. So we can say it is the heat supplied to the system. So QS is nothing but the heat supplied to the system or heat supplied to the heat engine cycle. Now as we know that from the first law of thermodynamics, right, heat is converted into work done. So here heat engine which works on a cycle, it converts the heat into the work done. But as we know that it cannot completely convert heat into the work, and remaining part of the heat received by the heat engine is converted into work, while the rest heat is rejected to the sink. It means some of the heat is converted into work done, but the part of the heat is rejected to the heat sink. So we can say that some of the heat is rejected to the heat sink, that is known as the QR. So QS is the heat supplied to the heat engine cycle, and QR is the heat rejected by the heat engine cycle and heat absorbed by the heat sink, and the difference is the work done. So QR is equals to QS minus W. So that amount of heat is rejected to the heat sink. So heat engine is a device which operates in a cycle and converts heat energy into work energy. So that fundamental we have studied using the graphical representation. Now this one is another figure taken from the, you can say, internet. So this one is the high temperature reservoir, that is the heat sink. This is a heat source. This is the heat sink, and this is the heat engine cycle. So heat engine cycle here represented as a number of processes, number of components are there in heat engine cycle, in which the number of processes takes place in a such a way that initial and final state are same, and then we are getting some work done. So work done is equals to QS minus QR, that is heat supplied to the system minus heat rejected by the system. Now the efficiency of heat engine. How to calculate the efficiency of heat engine or anything? Yes, the equation is output upon input. Now what is the output in the case of the heat engine cycle? It is work done. So it is work done. And what is the input to the heat engine cycle? Only QS. So work done divided by QS is the equation for the efficiency. So it is work done divided by QS. Now we know that work done is equals to QS minus QR. So we will put the equation here, QS minus QR divided by QS. So that will be equal to efficiency of heat engine cycle, that is equals to 1 minus QR upon QS. So it means, so this is the general fundamental of working and efficiency of heat engine. And we know that heat engine works on a cycle. So there can be the number of cycles available. For each cycle, we have to do the analysis. We have to calculate the work done and we have to calculate the efficiency. And the work done and efficiency equation for each cycle can be derived using these two basic equations. Which one? That is work done is equals to QS minus QR and efficiency is equals to 1 minus QR by QS. So these are the two basic equations which can be utilized in analysis and derivation of work done and efficiency of any cycle. Kindly write your queries in the comment box. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.